Hey guys, just coming on here really quick just to give you a quick tip. And today's tip is how to check for Windows updates for your computer. Uh, if you aren't aware, keeping your computer updated is one of the best ways to keep your computer well maintained and running at its best. So what I'm going to do is share my screen and take you through the process of how to see if you need any updates. So here we go, share my screen. So what you're going to do is you're going to go down to your start menu and scroll down until you see settings. And it's going to bring up this screen, and you're going to go down to update and security. Yeah, I'm going to decide to do it. Okay, so right now my computer is acting slow because it will do that sometimes if you need to install updates. So that's why it's always a uh, good rule to check to see if you need any. I actually installed these last night, but I wanted to keep this up here just so that I could show you guys. But as you see, a restart is required for me because I have this one update that needs to be installed. But if you have any updates that need to be installed, they would be right up at the top and it would list them, however many that you need. So like I said, I was just keeping this up here and I'm going to restart after I finish this video. But like I said, I wanted to keep this up here. But yeah, this is the process to go and check to see if you have any updates that needs to be installed. And like I said, sometimes your computer will act really slow, and that's always one thing to check to make sure. And sometimes you see this little I guess it's a computer screen with a little yellow dot down here at the bottom. That means that my computer needs to be restarted, but also it'll show down there if you have any updates that need to be installed. So that's always something to look for down in your taskbar. And I believe if you can't find it, you can go down to show hidden icons and it may show in this little box down here. But yeah, that's what I wanted to show you guys today. But in another video, I will also go over why it's important to keep your computer updated. But before I go, if you're looking for somewhere to get more helpful tips, tricks, and trainings to keep your computer running at its best, go ahead and type the word marketer down in the comments section, and I'll go ahead and send you a link to my group, and there you can get all the information that you need, the tips that you need to keep your computer running the way that it should be running. And if you have any comments and questions about this video, go ahead and leave them down in the comments, and I'll go ahead and respond back to you when I cycle back through. But yeah, guys, this is all that I wanted to share with you today. And like I said, I'll be back with another tip for you guys. But I hope you guys have a great day today, and I will talk to you later.